Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to fix a stretched Windows 11 screen. First, go to Display Settings. Then select the recommended parameters. If that doesn't work, go to Device Manager, right-click your graphics card, select Driver Properties, and click Rollback Driver. If rollback is grayed out, click Update Driver, choose Browse My Computer, and select from the list. Pick your graphics card and hit Next. Wait for the installation to finish. If it's still not fixed, open Command Prompt as admin and enter these 4 commands. Here they are. Wait for the system verification to complete. Alright, also try updating your graphics drivers from the official website. That's all for now. This has been your host. Take care, everyone.